Hello, this is a demonstration of Variatech BX production, and we are going to have a look at outsourcing possibilities. Now, in previous demos we saw that we created production orders from our MRP, we planned them, with our production data collection, we booked hours and we booked material and booked some sub-assemblies back. In those production orders we can have a look. If I go to the production management cockpit, we can have a look on a couple of them. These two with the painted bike frameworks, those two are outsourcing orders. Now, how can we work with this? First of all, I want to have an overview of that, so I go to my outsourced manufacturing overview and I see my two orders here. Now I'm going to do the whole process manually. It's also possible to automate this process depending on settings, so that the system automatically does that. Another thing I do is that I do it order for order. You can also, if you start up the requested functionality from the main menu, you can have more orders. First of all, what I'm going to do is go to my operation, and that's the operation that should be outsourced. So I select that one. Here I see my operation, and I go to the tab Outsourcing. Now, my first step is to generate a purchase order, because I want to have an official purchase for my supplier. So I press New Purchase Order, and here you see that this operation is being purchased. The material your supplier needs are the raw bike frameworks, and the main product which should be returned is the painted bike framework. So this is the purchase order the system generates, and you can see that it's based on this production order. So this is step one, and if I choose that, you can see here everything you need to know. So you can see that the quantity on order according to the purchase order is 15. Now, my second step I want to do is to deliver the materials. So we saw that here the customer needs raw bike frameworks, so I can either do it from the menu or from here, start up my inventory management for outsourcing. And here I see this operation and the planned quantity to deliver. So what I can do now is I can transfer material to the specific warehouse, or I can just say I deliver it and I want a delivery note. If I update this one, the system says, okay, I have here my layout for my delivery note. It's a very simple, straightforward thing, but you can see here the 15 raw bike frameworks should be delivered. So now everything is transferred to the warehouse of the supplier, and the next step can be that you receive the goods. So here everything is delivered to the customer, and here down here everything comes back, and what comes back are the painted frameworks. So if I check those two boxes and I do an update, the system books everything in, total received. So these are gone and these are back, and that's exactly what we wanted. So this is the way you can work with inventory, outsourcing production orders. Again, this can be automated, but I showed you the steps manually. That's all. Thank you.